Lasts longer on the countertops if you just use it for drinking water. Beautiful little valve. Simply turn here. We're going to put our purified water right here. So in the installations like this, where you have a hard to put in kitchen sink, and you still want to put it in a countertop, obviously the bathroom is a good place as well. It fits right on here. It's got an excellent valve to do it. We're going to go ahead and put purified water in here because we're going to do a number of tests from the table downstairs, and it will show how the chlorine test works and what happens and how fast your skin absorbs chlorine as well. Okay, now we're going to do the chlorine test kit. We went up and got the fresh water out of the water filter, the countertop, and we got the tub water right out of the shower. We're going to put tub water in here or out of the bathroom, and we're going to put fresh water in here. And this is a chlorine test kit that you can pick up anywhere, and you can do this test at home for yourself. We're also going to test after this to see how quick it absorbs in your skin. Now, if this was, and I know I talked about this before, but if this was a community pool, it would be illegal for the pool, if it was the YMCA, if it was anywhere that was a community pool, it would be illegal for the staff to let us in the water until the chlorine vented itself off. As you can see, zoom in here, Bob, as you can see, look at the chart here when it comes to color. It's literally off the chart. 2 to 4 is safe to swim in a community. 1 to actually 3 is the best. So in this area of 2, 4, or 1, 2 is where the highest level it should be before they let you in. Look where it is. Next, we're going to show. I'm going to take a sample. Leave this here, but take a sample of water right out of the shower filter. And we're going to see the results in the shower filter as well, so you can see that. And you've seen other videos, but taking a 5-minute shower, they say you take in more chlorine from a 5-minute shower. Now, how many of us take more than a 5-minute shower? More chlorine from a 5-minute shower than drinking a gallon of tap water. So we're going to show that right now, so let's head into the bathroom. Smells wonderful. I don't smell any chlorine. And that's the thing, when you take a jug like this and you put it in the your water in a jug, like you see sitting there, you'll smell the chlorine just by squeezing the bottle. So we might call this the 5 senses test. We squeeze the bottle and we smell it. I tell you what's going on. We can also touch it, and I'll put some chlorinated water in here from the tap and then touch it and show you the difference. Okay, so here we're going to test the water right out of the shower, and of course there is no chlorine. And that doesn't mean that chloramine couldn't be in there still from tap water. It'll be removed by our filter, but that is very hard to detect because it doesn't show up on a chlorine filter test or a chlorine test because it's a different substance. Now the next video we're going to show is the absorption of the chlorine into your skin and how fast it does that. So we're going to still leave this here, and we'll be back in a moment. Miley, my beautiful daughter, and she's going to test this water. Go ahead and put your hand in there and leave it in there. Just hang in there for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Obviously, we might spend longer than that in water or in the bathtub. Then we'll test this, and then we'll test this. And look at that. That's how quick the chlorine absorbs into your skin. And obviously, we don't want chlorine chlorine absorbing in the skin of our children. Now, how did you feel when you get out of the shower that has the filter on it? How did that make your skin feel?
Pretty good.
How did it make your hair feel?
Soft.
Oh yeah? Tell the camera. I know that I use about a quarter of the lotion that I would use and can get out and not be itchy. So just that alone is worth it right there. And my wife being pregnant, she's very, very concerned about that kind of thing. So again, this is your chlorine test kit. This is Rafael Luciano